Got my own little waterfall. Hi, I'm Sven from Black Forest Solar, and today I'm going to show you a total solar water pumping system that operates entirely without a battery. We're going to be measuring the water flow at 0 feet, 50 feet, and 100 feet of length. We're going to get started right now. Before we start measuring the water flow, let me quickly explain what we have here, the setup. First, the solar panels. It's a 12 volt, 400 watt system. There are 5 80 watt semi-flexible solar panels hooked in parallel, adds up to 400 watts. The submersible pump, capable of doing 4,500 GPH. That's with no head and no length of hose at all. Then we have a simple extension cord that's about 30 feet with an on-off switch. And we have a 50-foot hose here. The entire system fits in 2 portable bags, 1 carrying bag, 1 backpack, and the whole system easily weighs under 30 pounds. If you want to see a full demonstration of this particular setup, we've made a video about it before that walks you through all the parts and how to set it up. I'll go ahead and put the video link in the description below. Real quickly, let me show you what the water flow looks like straight out of the nozzle. You can see that's incredibly powerful. Can barely keep it in the container. Okay, first we're going to measure this with no head and just a couple feet of length. We've clamped on a 2-inch hose, so let's see how quick we can fill up a gallon. Okay, that was so fast I couldn't even catch it on my stopwatch, so I'm gonna guess about a second. This pump is rated at 4,500 straight out of the nozzle, so that seems just about right. So now let's hook up a 50-foot hose at about 5 feet ahead and let's see what we can get. Now we're just gonna pump the water 50 feet. There's about 4 feet ahead right here. The reason we like the woven collapsible hose is because it's lightweight. It's really strong, it's easy to carry around. We don't like to use the rubber hoses because some of the rubber hoses are too strong, so it causes a lot of friction loss. They can be really heavy, and the heavier it is, the harder it is to get the water to flow through nicely. Some of the rubber hoses are so thin that when you run them on the sidewalk, they'll just pop. So this woven collapsible hose is definitely the way to go, and it's lightweight enough that it won't cause a lot of friction loss. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is toss the pump in the water. We're gonna pump it 50 feet, and then I'm gonna run to the end of the hose, use my phone to measure the water flow. See guys, I'm really not joking. There is absolutely no battery here. This is just running. Where's that guy? Yeah, he's hiding under those rocks. There he is. No battery at all. Just running straight from the sun power, straight from the solar panels, all the way over here. That's a 50-foot length. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and measure it right now. Boy, this is gonna be tricky to do. So I'm gonna hook up 100 feet and show you what it looks like. Okay, I went ahead and hooked up the other hose. So now we're looking at about 120 feet. The hoses are actually 60 feet each. I mismeasured them earlier. And in the back over here, we've got a bit of an incline. So it's looking like from the pump all the way up to the incline over there, it's about 10 feet ahead. So let's see what we can do. All right, I just flipped it on, filling up real nicely. Let's take a look. All right, the water's almost at the end. I went ahead and just hooked up the hoses with the cam locks. And we do include these in our package, so you don't need to go out and buy them. Okay, that's looking pretty nice. You can see we're definitely at a bit of an incline here compared to where the pump is at. Water flow is looking right where it should be. No kinks in the hose. Okay, looks just a tad bit slower than before. All right, one more time. That's about 10 feet of head from where the pump is, all the way in the incline here. 120 feet of length, 2-inch hose. And it's a nice bright sunny day, about 2 o'clock, March 8th. Still winter. Give you one more nice look. And the pump is still doing good down there. Nice and cozy. I'm having too much fun pumping water. It shouldn't be legal to have this much fun pumping water. If you guys want to pick up this system, all you need to do is run over to blackforestsolar.com. you can pick it up directly from our website. We're going to be doing more videos with this particular pump setup. I'm also going to be testing 200 feet and 300 feet. So subscribe to our channel if you want to keep up to date with those videos. You can always go to blackforestsolar.com, sign up at our newsletter, give us your email, and then whenever new videos come out, we'll send them to you directly. If you have any questions or comments, get in touch with us anytime. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go ahead and pack this system up so you can see how easy it is to carry off, and we'll see you guys next time.